How to install Wire Messenger on an Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Installing Wire on your Android device is quick and only takes a few minutes. Whether you are using a smartphone or Android tablet, here is how you can get it installed on your device. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open your Google Play Store. Go to the search bar and type in Wire and search. Look for this Wire Secure Messenger application from Wire Swiss GmbH. Now tap on Install to begin the download and installation. Now wait for the application to download and install. It'll take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the installation is completed, tap on Open. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed the Wire Messenger application on your Android device. You can now go ahead and log into your account or create a new account and start securely chatting, making calls, and stay connected with your contacts. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.